Happy Father's Day, Baba. Oh.
Yo, lefatsi jikelele khumi koti. Yo, welcome everyone. This is Mzansi's funniest videos. Please enjoy, guys. While watching, you can like and comment, share with your family.
Luna banna batella wait. I was minding my own business. Abuto utla ko exciting ho tlhella kae. Ara au simpontsha matswele ke tla o fa 200.
Go bata yana.
Ebetsa utswile so.
Bontsitso. Life after watching Final Destination.
Oh my God, to the spoon.
Bafethu kuthiwa ngikukhumbuzisa ukuthi uGreat Arrow uyabhala so kuthiwa sicela sibafake emkhulekweni babhala iphepha lokugcina badraw icard.
Oh baby, you know I'm really into you and I'd like to have you and I'm single, trust me. I don't have anyone else out there. I want you.
Are you sure you're single?
I'm very single. I wouldn't cheat.
You are single.
No.
Who's this?
Who am I? Who are you? Let me show you who I am. What are you doing?
No, the other baby. Oh Lord. Oh my baby. Oh God. Listen, I can explain. It's not what you know. Listen, baby, I don't love you. It's not what you think.
You are lucky. I still love you.
Why do you kick her now?
Eneke zami lovine la Bakhadi hayi khona nithwele unyaka ongiqhele hayi unyaka olona lesimelenyana thank you bye
Abafethu bani makalona bekabhala ama headline wasetelisana uthi uzimele lapha yokubothini uyafunda kubhala ukuthi tikoloshi ngawusipaza shop uthi uyayidigest vele ngakusasa ubone wesi manithi tikoloshi made my wife pregnant yo oh imani ithi one bullet killed 40 men amakubani makabhala lezi zinto makayi
Msusamlalela khuleka isikhathi sisakhona ngizokusiza nje ngalento. Uyabona nje step number 1 kulento.
Right on the dot.
If you are my nephew or my niece and you have a child before me, that child is now my niece or nephew. You, on the other hand, you and I, we know each other on a first name basis. You are an adult now, and I'm going to treat you as such.
Omanyaka next ka 2025 akasha ngisho no June. Should my baqala ukujola this year sebahlukene khona this year. Mina na chef
Akulast, go busy.
Bathong likilela idi after teasing obo bloma le batho ba ko mining. Untsa yo di blaster. Yo engineer di mo stand buying. Bathong. Yo. Ntang ya kae. Yo la nna galebua. Bo ke tlile le tsa beya. Ke nya go buditsang. Yo. No batho ba modimo ya no go bua ka di shift tsa bona batho ba modimo ya no go nna re bua gore ya no gategeng. No la re gatalla. Batho ba ko mining. ka bua ka di-engineer tsa teng le di-blastera le di-what sis man
like what are you doing? Because negative ke berikile ebile ke feditse ke loaded the cabbage and then traka ya tsamaya ke yo ke feditse ka mmereko wa ya no ngwana ho dutse mo laptop on sebaka like what are you doing more no ka fetsa mmereko wa
system ya
load
load
what are you doing like
system is loading
frustrated then
ai lona lambore le tshaba mazulu nna ke batsa guys di sene mitsa mazulu a stone no re bueng di sene mitsa mazulu a stone o di sene mofukeng tsa basotho mofukeng utla di sene mitsa tsa batswana bogatso okay di sene mitsa mazulu di aggressive man like nana sene ya gumed like guys sene mi start ka gu ayo ntwe jena guys like I want sene mi like Jamen, ik denk dat niet meer kan guys.
Zo show van.
Gume. Ik denk gume. Jamen.
Vela center no ilugisa ela because that's
sorry to disturb. Do you guys know where KFC is?
Oh, KFC bona nja. Go fetsa jiga bana le ntlo ngobe ana yellow dawa ntshwara ena le roof green. Strata sona seo ka mo left, okay bo.
Oh, yeah.
Hola.
Hizo hapo. Oh, yeah.
So,
and then
damano ntse phone.
Na likundwane lizongikwazela phakathi endlini yami lengikwazela ukudla kwami. Ilwane zensuku zokucina.
Ene majida ukhola di 30,000. Bana di girlfriend the 11. Ashi baba 24,000 nearly 3.5. Yes. Thank you back.
Ene wena ne. Thank you back. Hello ro khona khona Gordons wena. You have no business o robala mo mpetong. Mpeto is meant for human beings. Wena hello ro khona ya di biring. Batho ba tsaya di brutal fruits tsa bone ba nwa eng ba di whiskey ba wena o bontsha Gordons we tlhoma mo tafoleng onwa. You have no business o robala mo mpetong. You are not a human being. You are just a mechanical appliance. Ore he o bua ko o ska ba ya le kompeto robala hona mo garage mo thoko a koloi we position between koloi le lawn mower because lo yena you are just a mechanical thing. Hey Gordons haina babala se wa hlanya wena Gordons le strong yana Gordons we jump starter trainer Gordons jump starter aeroplane Boeing 747 ena ba tlhokele gore ba itshele mo engineering ya trainer gore le ka wela mo lebiling la tshipi la trainer ele yo jump starter yo trainer ele yo raha wena o e lokela ka mo dimpentsa gore ntse wa iutlwa ba o ibula fela ile mo tafoleng mo e beile mo nkhole he o taso o utlwa re sebete sa shrinka se le kana le sim card wena o botla ka le lemenyana la na khondanyana lo ka mo gara Gordon hey man that thing gore ha ke tsena mo bottle stock e bona mo di shelf mo ke nna depressed this thing tshwantse be dutse kwa le bo domestos le bo you know and le bo Jace fluid that's where it belongs why you come on Gordon so he we motho a eng nwa gore le motho a usuna o sinyana o di Gordon sa usuna ona le go utlwa Gordon se he gore ish onna le this you misery I am Gordons botsa batho ba ile re banna le Gordons mo ntlo abana mafele a tshaba di magotlo a tshaba le magodu ke lo utlwa motho a re thubile ntlo enang le Gordons that thing is just something how be ile mo le batho ba bona le magodu this is a synagogue of alcoholism go mena teng kwa le batho ba ile re ba nwele di cognac o itse ha ba tlhatsitse gore ba nwele di watwa a tlabe go tloga Gordons blokolla toilet batho ba tlhatsa Gordons go no feta bo maithutane ba o ka e kry bile jele le di tile yana Gordons no Gordons but untle strong
wena no
le strong man ibile pila batho ba bana ha le mo garage o ska ba tshwantse nne go masimong kwa go di banyado o roba le motho kwa tracker le TLB somewhere there a mechanical appliance malago a khona o sila so sele
strong go pela go tsisa go my sister like modimo o create loud a o fa le meriri a o fa meriri mara lena ha ile nyakela o tsama mo ya di plastic modimo o fa di eyebrow la kuta wena o nyaka tsa ha o tseletsa o tsama modimo o fa sefatlheo sa sekobo wena o tshasa di makeup ro lo motle modimo o fe monna wa ngame wena o nyaka monna mogolo like le palletse le modimo a lebeletse no re dilotse di a lapisa like rena re le banna re to dia ene a ona ntse re ka dira like mo my sister le nyaka ene o tle re ngo nyaka chelete pare like 99 pa my sister like basadi ba felletse ka nako tsele tsa bo mamareng. Shem basadi ba fedile.
Mase kuthiwa kushona abantu abasho ngase enkingeni noma kupholiwe.
Ngingafa times 30.
Ujuqu.
Ngoba nje ngimuhle times 30.
Yaya kuze libizwe nje ambulance. Ngabiziwa nje imoto eyidumbu straight.
Hey ayikupholiwe la kumina hayi kurelaxiwe.
Kungathi kusamenyezelwa nje ukuthi abantu abahle bazofa. Kungatatazela wonke umuntu ongaziyo.
Kazi ingane yami ngaba yini? Silahlekele ubaba wayo instantly ngophazima kweso.
All right, when you cut an avocado, you don't go down this way because that exposes a lot of surface area, tending to get brown a lot quicker. So what you do is you slice your avocado this way, and then as you use it, you just scoop it out, drop it on your tongue.
Eya, wewe ngotendo kudiso love kadanga mkua. Ahuna na kadana litili na doba brown venda ngori ko lidzulela pasi na brotho white na acha na tier rona bana milenje. Raro hotel bla brotho.
Yeah, whatever you're saying, all right. Yeah, all right.
Or mariga a ilo ba fela go sna a kamponelang antare ke motsetse ka flu. Ya koreane.
Have a please order. Ah, shit.
Today we're making vegetable pap.
Hi boy nkosazana. Kwenze njani lapha eGoli? Awungeke yenza ngendlela eThekwini.
Bathi mbabodi, last week I Kenya fish oil.
This between I just arrived. When last did you I just arrived?
Fish oil.
You guys are playing. Today she's eating 6 times. Start by making the pap, which I'm going to use as the base of the... Hey!
6
times. I saw that, son. 50 Shades of Ugly.
Ipapu ayigo imfundini iyafokofa ke ngoku. Hayibo. eGoli esikuba mthwarelo.
Yo ntwana, kanti nawo baba wakho lona.
Ay. Yona lama comments eFaras Day lawo.
Yabona lezi engizibhebizo lamatafu ngiyaqedelele manje ntwana.
Basenesibhedlela saseKatlehong savala kudala.
Lezi ndothi Sarah Fatman ndothi. Hey, yesibona. Beka sishaka.
Yebo, yes.
Ntate Moloto.
Utupa just here.
Bashisa udoti ngayi.
Yeah, bebashisa la.
Ntate Moloto. Mr. Moloto, wena man.
Mina nguJobe baba.
Wena man. Renard Dilemo pick up a rehab.
Hapu. Elo matali ko nje ngiyakhatha mhlampula ahlekile rehab.
Yes.
Rehab timer.
Rehab.
Keke na matala khamba.
Yazi kwenzakala. Awusitsheli lokho.
Yey, ngihambana naye inkabi yami lapha. Ithi iyangilanda ngesontweni. Mina hayi ngizobuye ngibone ngoba hey. Ngiyazi ukuthi bayokwenzani kodwa ke ayi
bayenzani?
Ah, futhi naye inkabi yami isathi ukuthi bo. Bo. Emadleni. Isathi ukuthi bo afethu. No, hey, afethu ukukhola kubalekile afethu kuyisibusiso afethu. Hayi inkabi yami hambe kahle ngayo. Uqume hayi man. Sharp afethu.
Usonte kahle.
Gwabe.
Hello?
Yebo, uyeza noma uzi?
Ngimile la ngishoda ngemali yokugibela nginayo.
Awunayo imali yokugibela?
Yebo.
Fonela amaphoyisa uthi uyangibopha azozokulanda bese sekuletha la kumina mase usufike la kumina bese uthi hayi sesixoxile icala awusalivuli.
Niyakhumbula lama 2K nwahlukumeza nwadlela i15? Buka manje sebandlela amadoda. Sha.
Uyiphuza kanjani energy drink ungasebenzi? Or yini ufuna energy yokucela thina imali mawuhlele emakuleni?
So tlogela ngore silikisha mo social media le baroga. A ke re le wena ke ngwana gago. A se o re
le wena ke ngwana.
Le wena mo support ke ngwana ga o tlwele o retainer mo o roga di baby daddy nka re rumile ke rena.
Ke re baby daddy style le wena o style.
La tswana wena o fela ngesitlela ngwana. Tlwela ngo retainer mo na re nya go dutlwa ditaba tso tsa lena. Ala ruma ke rena lena.
Yabona mfethu if you want a proper girlfriend, date iCherry efaka ibuko. Yabona ama cherry fama specs. Jola now. La ngaboni or can't see. Baby I can't see. Baby with my glasses. Baby with your thing. Baby I can't feel it. Uthi kiss khona lapha ngaboni. Baby I can't see what's going on. Baby lapha bangaboni. Real girlfriends those ones. You see girls who wear specs. Number 1.
Hey na unyaka usuzophela umzali wakho kazumphathele ngisho ishumi ngisho wena ohlezi odukudla ngama Uber Eats nentombi yakhe emafleting
ishumi kodwa
and Father's Day bayibile khawufile youth day because of bayitso re banna ba childish batapa hampe banna ba nyako tlhapisiwa ba nyako ireliwa dijo ba nyako jesiwa ya khonala ma
Yeah.
isilungu sithi braai pack wena uyabilisa uze ufake isopo namazambane
wa khonala re monna wa kwalla go bulisha teng a gone go bulisha ngwana wa khonala ene re bona ka lena tshebele ba post le re happy Father's Day wa khonala ka
Father's Day. Yo, thanks guys. Thanks for making it this far. Hope you enjoyed and hope you had a wonderful Father's Day. Please like, please comment, please share. See you on the next upload.
Happy Father's Day. 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 What's up? Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's so but the night I won't go ask us on the number check it. Let's see